Hello, welcome back to Squintanditsmint. Been away for a while. Not that we've not been busy, just not been making videos. Not really been working on cars. So we had a month away, not a month away, a couple of weeks away in the UK. Had a great time in the middle of the summer, Lake District and bits and pieces. And time to relax, time to think about what we need to do. And one of those things that we needed to do was sort out our working environment, because as you remember from my previous videos, the working environment was rather rough. It was sort of laying in the dirt and didn't really have much lighting, and when it rained it came in and all sorts of stuff like that. So built this workshop. Taken a lot of reorganisation and a lot of effort. It's not actually finished now. We've got a bit of waterproofing still to do over there, so I haven't put the drywall in there, and the door's not quite finished yet. But we have lights, we have power, and we also now have a schedule, because in just over a month's time we're racing the Escort at a classic revival event at Brewery Circuit. And to do that, we're going to change the engine. So it was a 1300 GL. We've driven around as a 1300 GL since we painted it, and it's dropping a bit of oil through the rear seal onto the clutch. So if you drive it for any particular length of time, the clutch starts to judder, and it's less than pleasant. It's going well, but it is using a bit of oil. It's dripping a bit of oil. It's breathing quite heavily. So we thought, because this is now retired as the classic events car, we thought we'd have the 1600 crossflow out of this. I've got a 2-litre Pinto that when we restore this car, we can use. So why not have a crossflow for the Escort? So there's the catch-up, there's an introduction to the new facility. And I guess the next video from this will be the breakdown of the Capri, and in steps building up the Escort. Thanks, see you soon.